To what floor? I don't know what floor.
We're on the second floor.
Second floor. That's right. We take the high road when it comes to situations, and this nice elevator here. Hey, this is Lance McGowan, and I'm in Nordstrom right now at the Fashion Show Mall with one of my Instagram collaborators, Anoushka, and we're looking at some of the spring and summer fashion trends and some items that we found. And so Anoushka is going to talk a little bit more about that. Here we go.
Hi guys, there have been some amazingly fun things that have shown up on the runways for spring and summer 2018, and I'm going to talk about some of my favorites. One thing are pastels, and within that range, lilac and lavender is going to be the it color for spring. Look at this amazing leaf lavender dress. This is something that you could pair with a jean jacket and sneakers and like a really cool circle basket bag that's going to be very on trend for spring as well. And you can pick this up at Nordstrom. Another trend that we've been seeing on the runways is transparent wear, and this is a really fun trend because this gives you that peekaboo feel, so it's all about what lies underneath, like in this. See how it goes over the sweater, that is over the slip dress. Another way you can wear this is just over a tank dress. You can maybe throw it over jean shorts and a tank top. And don't be afraid to even throw it over a jeans and a tank top.
We're on our way to our next location, which is Victoria's Secret. And we just reviewed a couple items here for the spring and summer trends. How you feeling?
I'm feeling excited to show you guys what's around the Fashion Show Mall.
That's right. We're going to show you what's around every corner as we go around the corners here in the Fashion Show Mall. So I want to show you what the Fashion Show Mall looks like in a nutshell. Here it is. This is like one of the main lobby areas where people kind of like gather. This is a huge mall. Like, I've been here a number of times and just like how many choices there are. This is like the premier mall, one of the premier malls in Las Vegas. Wouldn't you say that?
Definitely, it's one-stop shop for sure.
There you go. Alright, so we weren't able to film in the Victoria's Secret. We had to get some authorization. So instead, we're going to improv because that's how we do. That's how we roll. We roll with the punches, so to speak. And so Anoushka is going to talk about some of the items that she would have been able to talk about had we had access to it. So here we go.
So Victoria's Secret, I love going in there to grab some items that is lingerie wear, but you can wear during the day. One of the things that are definitely on trend for spring are long layers, polka dots, and ruffles. And there is a long robe in there that is perfect. All three of those things in one. This is one of my favorites.
Okay, we're gonna check it out.
I love it.
All right. Coolness.
Yeah, so
Smells of perfume in here.
it smells amazing. So Scotch and Soda is a great store. It has everything for the woman in your life, the man in your life, and also Scotch Shrunk for kids. And another trend that's on for spring are long layers. And I wanted to show you this amazing robe in here. It's like a duster.
What do we have here?
So this is a duster, and you could wear this just like I was talking about with that Victoria's Secret robe. Just throw it on with jeans and a shirt, and then in the summertime you can throw it on with jean shorts and a shirt, and you're good to go. And this one is amazing. It has stars on the inside, it's got that floral detail, and it's very neutral. Okay, checked prints are going to be everywhere for spring. I am just loving seeing them in blazers, in long trench coats, and also these amazing pants. You can see the nice detail on the side, fringe, which is another trend for spring. So this is kind of like two trends in one piece. And Topshop always has really great trends at a good price.
All right, we're just heading out of Topshop and we're heading up to the elevator. We're going to what floor? I don't know what floor.
We're going to the second floor.
Second floor, that's right. We take the high road when it comes to situations and this nice elevator here. All right.
We're going up.
Going up, that's right.
So another trend for spring, which is the absolute opposite of pastels, are bold jewel tones. And as you can see from this storefront window at Zara, I mean, these tones are beautiful.
All right, we're gonna head inside now to Zara.
One of my favorite trends for spring are sparkle and sequins, and you can wear it during the day. It's called Disco Day Glow. And all you have to do is pair your favorite sequin or sparkly piece, just pair it down with something more casual like a sweatshirt or jeans or sneakers, and you're good to go. This jacket at Zara is such a good way to incorporate a little bit more casualness into the sparkle. This could easily be paired with denim and a top, and you're good to go. So this is another option for sequins and sparkle, and then it has the fringe, so you're getting multiple trends in one piece. Don't forget to pair this with something very casual and make it disco daywear. I mean, spring trends would not be spring trends without florals, and florals are going to be the go-to pattern. And this top at Zara is so cute, just paired with jeans. It's very abstract, and I think I want to swap it out for my top. So straw bags are still going to be very on trend, and circle straw bags especially. Like this really cute one, I think it goes with just about anything, and it's super easy and casual and really fun for vacations.
All right, we're heading into the elevator back to the first floor. We are doing some guerrilla filming here with regards to that's right, with regards to like filming and covering items, and then the folks, if they have an issue with us filming, either they'll talk about it and then we're on our way out like we just were. So yeah, that was cool. We got our shots in, and that's part of it, you know, ask for forgiveness instead of permission. So we'll make it happen. Oh, this is for 3. Hello. Are we going up? We're going up or down? Oh, okay. It went up and then down. All right.
Are we ready for one?
Yeah, we're ready for it.
I mean, now that we're done talking about all these other spring trends that I've been showing you around this fashion show mall, let's talk about my outfit. Let's get to the good stuff. So, floral print blouse, and very big for spring. It's got some color in it, and I mean, it's got a little bit of the polka dot thing going on too. Belt bags are very in as well. This one can also be worn as a crossbody, so it's versatile, which I really like. If I'm going to spend my money, I want to spend on versatility. Just pairing it with some distressed denim, and then just making it a little bit more casual with some old school Adidas kicks. And there you go. Very wearable spring trends and summer trends, and I think you guys are going to look amazing in 2018.
Hey everybody, well that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe if you haven't already done so, and make sure to follow Anoushka on her Instagram profile. Link will be in the description below, and she has so many fashion tips for women, and so you can look stylish and you can feel confident in your own skin as well, and so that's so important. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.